Hello, everyone, and welcome to the General Knowledge and Current Affairs second session. Okay, guess the brand on the incomplete old or new logo given below. It can be an old logo or a new logo. It's something you need to figure out by looking at the logo. Let's look at the logo. All right, so just carefully analyze this, pause the video, try to understand what logo or what brand could be associated with this. Let's look at the answer options as well. You have four answer options: Apple, Adidas, Amazon, Acer. Now, guys, remember, do not try and compare it to the current logo because the question explicitly states कि it can be an old logo also. So, अगर आपको पता है कि Amazon का तो logo ये नहीं है तो ये correct नहीं होगा. So, वो eliminate कर दो. But the question asks you to also keep in mind the fact that ये logo old logo हो सकता है. Okay, let's look at the answer option. The correct answer is Adidas. It's an old Adidas logo. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, what is the national game of the United States of America? National games, very important question. Chitne countries ka you can remember well and good. All right. So we have four options given here: bowling, baseball, rugby, and wrestling. So out of these four options, which is the correct answer? The correct answer is baseball. Okay, baseball has been the national sport for the last 77 years. It became the national sport when Jackie Robinson had his historic debut and took the field for the Brooklyn Dodgers. Alright, so that is the national game of United States of America, which is USA. Right, let's move on to the next one. Which of the following countries have the currency peso? Okay, we have four options: Kenya, Nigeria, Cuba, and Ethiopia. The correct answer in this case is Cuba. Cuban peso is the currency of Cuba. Let's move on to the next one. Who was appointed as the brand ambassador of Monte Carlo in 2019? Okay, brand ambassador of Monte Carlo कौन appoint हुआ था 2019 में? We have four options: Virat Kohli, Andre Russell, Kane Williamson, and Rohit Sharma. The correct answer in this case is B. Andre Russell. Right now, the clothing firm Monte Carlo Friday said it has roped in West Indian cricketer Andre Russell as the brand ambassador for its sportswear brand Rocket. The Jamaican all-rounder will now be the face of a series of multi-channel marketing and promotional activities for the brand Monte Carlo. All right, they said that in a statement, so I know that this is how it is. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, which of the following singers won the Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2021? So, the best part about this question is they're already telling you that it's a singer who's won it. But the worst part about this question is that we have already four singers and we need to choose one, right? Let's move on to the answer options: Asha Bhosle, Lata Mangeshkar, Sunidhi Chauhan, and Neha Bhasin. All right, the correct answer in this case is Asha Bhosle. Okay, Asha Bhosle won the Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2021. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, Skillet Kill It is authored by which of the following authors? So the name of the book is Kill It, Kill It, and which of the authors have authored this? So we have Ronnie Screwvala, Amir Khan, Sajid Khan, and Akshay Kumar as your options. The correct answer is Ronnie Screwvala. Right? Ronnie Screwvala is the author of Skill It and Kill It. Okay? Let's move on to the next question. Organization of Islamic Cooperation is headquartered at Organization of Islamic Cooperation. We have four options: Abu Dhabi, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, and Pakistan. The correct answer in this case is Saudi Arabia. Okay, let's know a little bit about this organization. The Organization of Islamic Cooperation, formerly known as the Organization of the Islamic Conference, is an international organization founded in 1969 consisting of 57 member states with a collective population of over 1.8 billion as of 2015, with 49 countries being Muslim majority countries. It is headquartered at Jeddah in Saudi Arabia. Right? Let's move on to the next question. Okay, when is the National Small Industry Day celebrated every year? We have four options: 27, 28, 29, and 30th of August. The correct answer is 30th of August. Right? So, the National Small Industry Day is an annual celebration to recognize the value of small industries in our society. Every year on August 30th, the country celebrates National Small Industry Day. Right? Let's move on to the next question. Who is the current global CEO of Cipla? Global CEO of Cipla. Umang Vora, Yusuf Hamid, Vinita Gupta, and Subhanu Saxena. The correct answer is Umang Vora. Alright. Umang Vora is the managing director and global CEO at Cipla. Additionally, Umang Vora has had 8 past jobs, including Global Chief Financial and Strategy Officer at Cipla, Cipla Managing Director, and Global CEO. Right? Let's move on to the next one. Okay. Which of the following brands has had the tagline Pados Ki Dukaan? Pados Ki Dukaan is the tagline, and we need to choose which brand has it. So we have four options: eBay, Amazon, Flipkart, and Easy Day. The correct answer is Easy Day. Alright. What is Easy Day? Easy Day is an Indian retail brand that runs chains of consumer retail supermarkets and convenience stores. The brand is wholly owned by Future Group Retail Future Enterprise announced its foray into retail in February 2007, and the first store was opened in Punjab in April of 2008. Right? Let's move to the next question. Guess the brand from the incomplete old logo below. Now, this question is explicitly stating that it's not the new or the current logo, it's an old logo, but which brand is this associated with? Let's look at the logo. Okay, let's look at the answer options. We have Amazon, AT&T, Apple, and Acer. Okay, now we know that it resembles an A, but all the answer options are around A. So, which is the correct one? If you guys didn't know, it's Amazon, right? This is an old Amazon logo. Let's move on to the next question. Geet Sethi. Okay, he's a player. He's associated with which of the following sports? He's a sportsman and he's associated with which of the following sports? The options that we have is billiards, bowling, tennis, and shooting. The correct answer is billiards. Right? Keith Sriram Sethi of India is a professional player of English billiards who dominated the sport throughout much of the 1990s and a notable amateur snooker player. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, which of the following countries does not have its currency as the USD United States dollar? कौन सी country का नहीं है? Okay, we have Anguilla, USA, Panama, and British Virgin Islands. The correct answer is Anguilla. Okay, इसका currency है East Caribbean dollar. Okay, so it's ECD as against USD. Let's look at the next question. The Desert of Death is located in which of the following countries? We have four options: Afghanistan, India, China, and Kazakhstan. The correct answer in this case is Afghanistan. Let's know a little bit about this particular thing. It's referred to as Dasht-e-Margo. It is a desert region in the southern provinces of Helmand and Nimruz in Afghanistan. It is the world's 20th largest desert and consists mainly of sand masses and rocky clayish plains with Solanchak, Stakirs, and rarely oases. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Who won the International Booker 2021 award? International Booker 2021 award किसे मिला है? We have four options: Marianne M, Thomas K, David Diop, and David Kellen. The correct answer is David Diop. Who is he? He's a French novelist and academic who specializes in the 18th century French and Francophone African literature. His research at the University of Pau in southwest France focuses on representations of Africa in 18th century accounts and images by travelers. Right? Now let's move on to the next question. Okay. Okay, let's look at the next one. Yeah. Sudha Murthy has authored which of the following books? So Sudha Murthy is the name of the author. Okay, which of the following books has she authored? We have four options. Earthing, how earth became what it is, how the earth got its shine, and how the earth got its beauty. The correct answer in this case is answer option D. Sudha Murthy has written a book which is authored by her, and the name of the book is the book says how the author got its beauty. Right, let's move on to the next question. Transparency International. Okay, that is the name of the organization. Transparency International is headquartered at which of the following? We have four options: Singapore, Switzerland, Geneva, and Berlin. The correct answer in this case is Berlin. Right? Transparency International is a German registered voluntary association founded in 1993 by former employees of the World Bank. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The second last question. Which of the following is responsible for the fact that tennis ball bounces higher at high altitudes than in planes? So some amount of physics question. All right, let's understand the answer options. Low gravity, high gravity, less dense air, low atmospheric pressure. Correct answer is less dense air. Okay, the rarefied air at high altitudes gives less resistance to ball. Okay, let's move on to the last question. has decided to put which country in the grey list till the Feb of 2021? The correct answer is, the options are Afghanistan, Pakistan, Somalia, and Lebanon. The correct answer is Pakistan. Right? Financial Action Task Force, that is FATF, has decided to place Pakistan in its grey list till February of 2021. This decision has been made since Pakistan was not able to fulfill 6 out of the 27 mandates to check terror funding. Right?